Good day, I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can speak a little bit and I can understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I heard that Malaysia has no salary deduction.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Wendy Mangkal. I'm 26 years of age. I lived in Davao del Sur, Philippines. My birthday is on June 10, 1998. My height is 5'1" and my weight is 75. I'm high school graduate. I'm single mother. I have two kids. Their ages 6 years old and 3 years old. One daughter and one son.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
Roman Catholic. So you mentioned that you are a single mother, right?
Ma'am.
So who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother in my former mother-in-law, ma'am.
Okay, so you what about your so you already separated with your live-in partner, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your first time working abroad, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you fight your homesickness knowing that you will be working quite far away from your children?
I I will call my family after work, ma'am.
Okay, so domestic helper is very tough, okay? As I have mentioned many times already. This is not that we are playing. You will going to sign it to your contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home, okay?
I understand, ma'am.
In your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2016 to 2017 as what?
As a housemaid, ma'am,
Okay,
and
you
a
work
nanny.
okay, so you worked there as a housemaid and nanny for 1 year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
In Davao City, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities to your previous employment here in Davao for 1 year?
I work as a housemaid. I work cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, and gardening, and also the kids to
How
take
old
care of
is
the
the
kids.
how old is the children that you take care?
Two 2 years old and 3 years old, ma'am.
Okay. So way back 2018 to 2024, you worked for 6 years as what?
I'm a full-time mother, ma'am.
Full-time mother. Okay. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. You need to expect those unexpected things that you might didn't experience in the Philippines, you might experience here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am, but I'm afraid of big dogs.
Okay. Usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but you can hold it during nighttime and you will render your phone on the next morning, okay?
I agree, ma'am.
Okay, but if we found out that you cannot cope up using of it, but if we found out that you cannot cope up your job on the next day because you feel groggy and you don't have the energy to work due to misuse of mobile handphone, very sorry to say, we will inform your employer that we allow you to use your phone during nighttime only for 2 to 3 hours, okay?
I agree, ma'am.
On your rest day also, you are entitled to have a once a week rest day, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If employer will going to pay, if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Do you agree?
I agree, ma'am.
We don't want to force people to come here. As long you are okay with our terms and conditions, we don't have problem. As long as you don't give us headache once you come to work here in Malaysia. We don't want later that you will going to demand us about all these things. In Philippines, you might say, yes, I am agree, but I don't want later that once you come here, there is a different story. No such a thing, okay?
I understand, ma'am.
Okay, so as I have mentioned a while ago, you will going to have your homesickness will frequently attack at you, knowing that you are a first timer and you will working quite far away from your family. So, how will you gonna fight for it again?
I will call my family and pray, ma'am, and focus to work.
Okay, so this is not the Philippines. We need to humble ourselves, okay? You will going to work with your employer for 2 years. If there is any problem or any concerns, you inform your employer because you're the one who are staying inside the premises, okay?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Yeah, always humble ourselves. So, I give you a scenario. If employer will get angry with you, but you didn't do anything wrong, what will you do?
I will calmly, ma'am, and not talk back.
So you will not answering your employers back. Okay, so Wendy, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Have a
Thank you
good
so
day.
much and have a good day.